Maxxon Commercial Profile is a solution for cleaning or profiling concrete or to remove hardeners, curing agents, and densifiers. These are the tools needed: a low-pressure multi-purpose sprayer with a non-metal tip, a non-metal stiff bristle broom, and a wet-dry vacuum. Before starting, ensure building is at 40 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 24 hours. Remove mastics, glue, oil, grease, and coatings. Protect metal thresholds, vents, and frames from contact with Maxxon Commercial Profile by removing or covering with masking tape. Perform a test patch to determine dwell time, usually 15 minutes to 4 hours. Once subfloor is prepared, apply Maxxon Commercial Profile. Work sprayer head side to side, applying liberally so that the surface is evenly and well saturated. It's not unusual to see a reaction with the concrete, which can cause bubbling. Agitate the coated surface with a stiff bristle brush. A slight odor is normal and indicates the product is working. If material dries out during dwell time, re-wet the surface and continue the dwell period. Dried material appears as a white powder on the concrete surface. Wash the subfloor thoroughly to remove residue. Flush to drains or collect with a wet-dry vacuum. Wait until concrete slab is visibly dry prior to installing Maxxon moisture mitigation or underlayments. Maxxon Commercial Profile is your innovative solution for cleaning and profiling concrete slabs.